In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a layer to another document in Affinity. This is a quick, reliable way to reuse artwork, elements, or adjustments across your projects without exporting files or rebuilding anything from scratch. We'll keep it simple and make sure you know exactly what to expect at each moment. First, choose the layer you want to copy. You can do this right on the canvas with the Move tool, or more precisely, by clicking it in the Layers panel. When a layer is selected, it highlights in the panel and you'll see its bounding box if it's visible on the canvas. If the layer is inside a group, selecting the group will copy everything inside it. If you only want a single element, make sure you click down to that specific layer. Also check whether the layer is locked. If it is, unlock it first so it can be copied. Once you're confident you've selected the correct item, whether that's a pixel layer, a vector shape, text, or even a layer with masks and effects, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac OS. Affinity will place a full copy of that layer along with its live effects, masks, and blend modes onto your clipboard. Next, switch to the document where you want the layer to go. If your documents are tabbed across the top of the workspace, simply click the Target Documents tab to bring it forward. If you don't see it, open it from the Recent Files list or use the Window menu to bring it into view. Once that document is active, click anywhere on the canvas or in the Layers panel to make sure it has focus, then press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac OS to paste. The pasted layer appears as a new entry in the Layers panel, typically above your currently selected layer or at the top of the stack. On artboard documents, it may land on the active artboard. On multi-page layouts, it will paste into the current page. If it seems off canvas, zoom out or check the layer's transform values and reposition with the Move tool. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Renaming the pasted layer right away makes future edits easier. If you need the element to land in exactly the same position as the original, look for a Paste in Place option in your edit menu. And if nothing appears when you paste, confirm you're in the right document and that no modal tools or dialogues are active. That's it. Select and copy, then switch and paste. Simple, fast, and consistent across the Affinity apps.